Hi, I have been dreaming about making or creating more movement on this YouTube channel. Create a lot more videos and create those videos more frequently. And I'm thinking I'm lowering the bar a little bit just to make shorter videos and just maybe turn the camera on and talk about a topic. And the topic of today is actually why I am practicing bass and electric guitar in public, like on this YouTube channel. And the idea came from this book, and the book is called Step by Step Mixing: How to Create Great Mixes Using Only 5 Plugins by Björgvin Benediktsson. I listened to this book actually as an audiobook because it's available as an audiobook. It's very convenient for me because I ingest audiobooks really well while driving my car. And the book I just bought as a reference because I liked it so much. And there was one idea in this book, and it's some sort of a chapter in this book, and it says practice in public. And as the author says, as a creative person, I practice in public a lot. He says, I perform live with bands, I put creative energy into producing and mixing music for other groups. And this is also his advice for others. And I took his advice, but not concerning mixing my music. I took this idea and connected it not to my mixing, but to my practicing guitar and bass, because as I thought, okay, there's no one around telling me practice bass or practice guitar, like maybe parents of a child would urge him to keep on practicing. But with me, there is no one. Nobody interested in my playing guitar. I could let it go. I could continue. No one cares. Some people made some comments on my videos, so they seem to care. Thank you very much, by the way. It means a lot. What I'm saying is this idea came from the book, and this is why I do it. It makes me just more committed to this whole practicing guitar and bass. That's why I'm doing it in public. I'm far away from where I would like to be musically with those two instruments, but I feel and I already notice a lot of, great impact on my life, musically, but also personally. I'm not practicing a lot, but it's still kind of on a regular basis. Anyway, that's the whole idea. That's what I wanted to talk about concerning this book. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.